Most students see this problem and immediately think the answer is 0. Why? Because they forget one golden rule of calculus. Area is always positive. If you just integrate from 0 to 3, you are going to fail the test. Let's solve for k the right way. We are looking for the area bounded by y equals x minus x squared over 2, and the x-axis from x equals 0 to x equals 3. So, let's start by finding the integral of the function x minus x squared over 2 dx. The first term to integrate is x. Using the power rule, x becomes x squared over 2. Now, for the second term, negative x squared over 2. Using the power rule, it becomes negative x cubed over 6. Now, look at the graph. The curve crosses the x-axis at x equals 2. From 0 to 2, the area is above the axis, so it is positive. From 2 to 3, it's below, so it's negative. To find the total area, we must take the absolute value of the bottom section. Let's find the area for the first part. Area equals the integral from 0 to 2 of x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 6. We start substituting the upper limit, x equals 2. So, 2 squared over 2 minus 2 cubed over 6 equals 2 over 3. Now we substitute the lower limit. However, since the lower limit is 0, then the answer will be 0. Let's subtract the lower limit from the upper limit. 2 over 3 minus 0 equals 2 over 3. Next, we will find the area for the lower part of the graph. Remember, we are going to find the absolute value since we can't have a negative area. So, area equals x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 6, from 2 to 3. We start with the upper limit, x equals 3. So 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cubed over 6 equals 0. Next, we substitute the lower limit, x equals 2. However, we already know that when x equals 2, our result is 2 over 3, since we found it earlier. Remember, since the area is below the graph, we are going to find the absolute value, because area can never be negative, so area 2 will be also 2 over 3. Our final step is to find the total area, so let's add area 1 and area 2. 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 equals 4 over 3. The problem asks for the area in the form k over 3. Since we found 4 over 3, our value for k is 4. If this cleared up the confusion of this question, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment on what question you want me to explain next.